Hey guys, hi and hello. Welcome back to my channel Divide and Conquer with Radha. Happy to have you all back again. Today's topic of discussion is going to be something very interesting and useful. In this video, we are going to learn a shortcut method to find the square of any given two-digit number. Let's calculate the square of number 42. So 2 is in the ones place and 4 is in the tens place. The very first step is to find the square of the number in the ones place and the tens place. So ones place we have 2. The square of 2 is 4. That is 2 into 2, which is 4. When you find the square of any digit, in case you get a single digit number, add a 0 prior to it. And here, what is the square of 4? The square of 4 is 16. So even out here, if you get a single digit number, you need to add a 0 and make it as a two-digit number. Now once this is done, the next step is to multiply the given number, that is 4 and 2, with the square, that is 2. So what do we have? 4 into 2 into 2, and that is equal to 16. The third step, we need to add step 1 and step 2. So step 1 we got 1604 and step 2 we got 16. When you write the step 2 answer, you need to leave the ones place empty. That is, the first place should not be filled. You should start filling it up from the second place. Now let's add these two numbers. We get 4, 6, 7, 1. Therefore, square of the number 42 is equal to 1764. So isn't it very easy? Now let's try and solve a couple of sums. Now let's find the square of the number 74. So as I said, write down the numbers. Okay. Find the square of both the numbers. The square of 4 is 16. You already have a two-digit number, so we don't have to add a 0 here. And the square of 7 is 49. 7 sevens are 49. This is step 1. Now step 2, what we are going to do, we need to multiply the number 7 and 4 with 2. So 7 into 4 into 2. What do we get? 7 fours are 28 and 28 into 2 is 56. Now we need to add step 1 and step 2. 4, 9, 1, 6, and we are supposed to leave the first place empty. So we are going to write 56 below this. Now you're going to add them. We get 6, 7, 9 plus 5 is 14 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, square of 74 is equal to 5476. Let's calculate the square of 99. So I'm going to write down the number 99. Step 1, I need to square both the numbers. 9 square is 81, and here also 9 square is 81. Since we already have a two-digit number on both sides, we are not going to add zeros here. Now step 2, I need to multiply the number 9 and 9 with 2. So 9 into 9 into 2. 9 nines are 81, and 81 into 2 is equal to 162. Now we need to add step 1 and step 2. 8181, and we need to add 162. We are going to write it below that, leaving the first place empty. 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 6, 7, 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Square of 99 is equal to 9801. Don't you think it's very easy? Here is a small activity for you all. Find the squares of these two numbers 88 and 39 and post your answers in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful and I am sure you would have learned something new today. In case you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.